Hi friends, welcome to the Microsoft Word 2016 video lesson series. I'm back with some more feature of Microsoft Word. So let's get started. In this video tutorial, we will be learning about tables. How you can create tables, how you can fill out the details in table, and how you can format and give various style to your table. So let's see how you can insert table in your document. To insert table, first go to this insert menu in which you will find table option. Click on this drop down button and you will have to select how many rows and how many columns you want in your table. So I want 4 columns and 3 rows. Select 4 columns and 3 rows and just leave your mouse keys and table will be added. Once your table is inserted in your document, you can give it headings and give various kind of styles to your tables. So to give your table a style, go to this design menu from which you can style your table. So I am creating a table of marks and students. So this style is pretty good for my particular informations. So I am just selecting it. Now I am writing here subject, which is English, Science and Math. To write in particular cell, you will have to click on that cell and just start writing. Now here I will write student names. For example, Vijay and Rahul. That's it, your table is now created. You can put up marks here 45, 85, 65, 35, 25 and 89. So now I have added marks to my table. Now let's see what kind of operation you can do onto your table. For example, now I want to insert one more row in my table. Then how I can do it? To insert extra row, just go to your last cell and press tab key and it will insert new row to your table. Now I can enter one more detail to my table. So I have added marks of one more new student. Now what if I want to delete particular row? So just click on any cell, just right click on any cell and you will find this delete option. Click on this drop down arrow and what you want to delete. Delete particular table, delete row or delete column. So I want to delete this row. So I'll click on this delete row button and it will delete that particular row. If you want to delete table, then you can select this delete table button or delete column for deleting your column. You can also insert row cell from here. I want to add row between Vijay and Mayur. Then I will go to this insert and I want to insert row below this Vijay row. So it's added here. I can fill out the details of Rahul with some marks data. As I said, you can give styles to your table, whichever style you prefer. So this is one more style. Select any style you like. So you can apply many predefined styles provided by Microsoft Word. If you want to change color of text or table, then you can go to this change color option and select particular color. So it will change the color of your table. If you want to give cell shading, then you can go to this cell shading option. It will make your cell shadowed. So as you can see, it became blue in background. So this is about some table option. You can explore more and more options by right clicking onto the table. Like you can change font size by this option, which we have learned in previous tutorial, and you can explore it and customize it with your own specification. Thank you very much.